quietly released the ZenFone Ares in Taiwan without holding an event or even issuing a press release about it. The device emphasizes on augmented reality and VR virtual reality, with specs almost identical to last year's ZenFone AR. We've got a 5.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a standard 16:9 aspect ratio and QHD resolution, 1440 by 2560 pixels. The display comes with a few familiar features as well: True to Life technology for improved outdoor visibility and oil-repellent coating. Driving the ZenFone Ares is the well-known Snapdragon 821 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.0 expandable storage. The hardware appears to be compatible with Google's ARCore technology. The camera department once again boasts a 2.3 MP sensor with high-res PixelMaster 3.0 lens.